I'm going to show you how to create your new campaign in D&D Beyond. Welcome past, present, and future Dungeon Masters. This one is for you, but players stay tuned because you're going to want to see this as well. I'm going to show you how to make your campaign in D&D Beyond in a very simple and easy way. Let's get into it. So first of all, you're going to want to log into your D&D Beyond account. This can be with your Twitch account, your Google account, whichever account you feel you want to use for logging into D&D Beyond. You're going to go over to your profile and you're going to click on Campaigns. Once you've got your Campaigns tab open, for any new Dungeon Masters that don't feel up to it to create their own campaign, you can select from D&D Beyond's pre-made campaigns by clicking on the pre-made campaign button. As you can see here, there are 3 pre-made campaigns ready for you to tackle for your first level players, or if you want a little bit more of a challenge, for your 4th level characters. These campaigns are Intro to Stormwreck Isle, Frozen Sick, and Prisoner 13. Should you wish to go just one step further and delve into the realm of bravery, we can create a custom campaign by clicking on Create a Campaign. Now, the first most important thing for you as a Dungeon Master is obviously to have a name for your campaign. So as you can see, I have put in a name for my campaign, and don't be lazy, write the description of your campaign down in the description box, and once you are happy, all you do is you click on Create Campaign. So once you have created your campaign, you will see it in your campaign tab. If you want to deactivate it and delete it, you can click on the deactivate or the delete button. And if you want to make any changes, you can click on View Campaign. From here, you will get an invitation link for your players to click on that will add them to your campaign. This helps your players be part of your campaign and helps you manage their character sheets and what they want to do, as long as they have made a character on D&D Beyond, and that'll also be your job to help guide them through that creation process. Now, if you don't have any characters assigned for your players, or they have not made any, you can create an unassigned character, or you can create an unassigned pre-made character. This also helps if you're not quite familiar with the process of making a character. You can also make any private and public notes for your campaign for anyone who is joining. You may have some information they want to see, and you may have some information you want to keep for yourself. And that right there is the simplest and easiest way to get you started on the path to being a Dungeon Master for your campaign. Obviously, this entails what kind of rules you want to make. This is where the Dungeon Master's Guide and Player Handbook come in handy for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I hope you found this helpful and insightful and informative. If you did, please do consider leaving a like and subscribing for more of this, and let me know when you plan to make your new campaign, Dungeon Master. I look forward to it. And until next time, may the dice roll good.